Hello, Leo. Welcome back. Welcome to my channel. If you are new, I am Lady of the Throne, and I'm here with your love guidance from April 16th through the 30th. Thank you all so much for being here with me. I really appreciate it. And if you're new to the channel, welcome. I hope that you like it. Go ahead and subscribe, like, and comment down below. Okay? So I am here to help you guys out. I am a spiritual healer and a master teacher. I am also intuitive. I am an intuitive reader, so I am able to pick up information about the 12 zodiac signs, okay, and help you understand what is going on. So my goal here is to just really talk about the feelings between you and a love interest, and also your point of views, how you both see each other. However, if you want to go deeper into this, you can. I do have a link down below in the description box for the extended version of this. And in the extended, we're going to look at what you both want and also some angel messages for guidance to help you both out, okay? So let's get started. Leo, your feelings for this person. How are you feeling? April 16th through the 30th. It looks like you guys are feeling totally in love with this person. Definitely in love with them. Totally in love with this person. This is someone who you could be visualizing success with. You could feel like you could be successful with them. You could be in a good relationship with them. There is a tendency to overindulge in something as well during this time. So be cautious of that energy. Now, overindulging could be that maybe you are getting a little bit too much of this love dose here, okay? Maybe you are super invested, maybe overly invested, overly involved in the connection with this person. That could be it. Maybe you are obsessing about them a little bit. I'm not sure. Maybe you're just drooling over them. I am not sure, okay? But I feel like you guys are definitely getting a lot of love here, a lot of love. Your daily dose of this person, which, you know, it could lead to doing a little too much. I'm not sure. Also, there could be an overindulgence in other things. It could be sweets, shopping, splurging, eating out, love, sex, something, okay? But there is something there. Now, your person, and how do they feel about you, Leo? They feel like loving you is complicated. Loving you is complicated. That reminds me of a verse from a song by Kendrick Lamar. He says, loving you is complicated. Loving you is complicated. That's what he says. It's like a poetry song. So I don't know if you guys know what I'm talking about, but it's on his album, I think, To Pimp a Butterfly. And loving you is complicated. That's how this person feels about you, about loving you. Even though, like, you're totally in love with them, they are too. They love you too, but they feel like it's complicated. They feel like you give them mixed vibes, mixed emotions. You have mood swings, normal, typical things, especially if you're a female dealing with a male. But they're in love with you, and that's the most important thing. This person could be seeing you being successful, even though, like, you're in this energy of visualizing success, like you're trying to manifest success and bring it into your life. This person feels like you already are successful, and there could be a little envious of your success. They see you in a more dominant role within the connection, but deep down they feel more in love with you because of your status now, because of the money you're making now, or because of who you are as far as your status. Maybe you guys got a job promotion recently. Now you're the boss or manager. Maybe they're just envying that, or it could be that you guys are elevating somehow. Maybe you are, you know, like just glowed up. Maybe you're just glowed up, and this person's kind of envious of that, whatever you have going on, okay? But I do feel that they love you though. They love you though, but they're a little jealous about things for some reason. It could be that you're getting more attention from other people. That could be why. Now, your point of view, how you see this person. The number 12 is significant. I'm not sure why. It could be that someone's birthday is on the 12th, or it could be someone's child's. I'm getting someone's child's birthday could be on the 12th, or You may be seeing them in 12 days, or December could be relevant, the 12th month of the year. Yeah, 12 can be significant in any kind of way, really. Just apply to your life however it's going to apply. But the way you see them, oh, this is really this is really different. This is different from how it, okay, the way you see each other is different from the views, but it's like you see this person, Leo, as someone who is taking risks at this time. This person is taking some serious risks with everything they're doing right now. It's something about this person in this energy of now another song is coming to me. Wow, nothing but music. So some of you guys music could be very important during this time frame, or you're dealing with someone who's into music, or you're into music, or someone's a music artist or talented in music. Something like that's going on. But you see this person as someone who, that's the song. Okay, so you know that song. There is a song called Praise the Lord, okay? And they say something about taking what's theirs, and some, I don't know, something like that. But this is something about the way you see this person is someone who is trying to do something for the good, okay? Like they are willing to go against certain groups of people in order to be with you, or going against certain groups of people in order to make a difference. Like this person, you see this person as someone who's becoming like a symbol of justice, humanitarian service, and goodwill. Like whatever this person's doing in their life for work or business, or just what kind of person they are, or what they're posting on social media, or the things that they're saying or incorporating into their music if they do music. But this is someone who you now see is like a symbol of justice. Like you know that this person wants to bring justice to other people's lives, or to your life or their life, or the connection. It's just, they're humanitarian. They're really giving back to people. Like they are all about helping poor people, okay? People who work in the land, people who are like at the bottom of the barrel. Like you see this person bringing justice to people like this. This could be someone who works in the government. If they're not like involved in music, they could work for the government, or maybe politics. They could be a politician of some sort, or work in the justice system. But this is a person who hates government corruption, or they may be a person who hates politics and they want to make things right, okay? So you see this person really merging their understanding, cleverness, and their love for people into a community in order to bring social change. This is deep. I mean, you guys are dealing with a very, very big person, like some type of VIP person, or some type of special person. Like it's just a person who is they're held in high regard in the community, or in a community of people, or what they do for a living is very important. You look at this person as someone who has the truth on their side, and God always has their back. Whatever they do, they're divinely protected in the things that they do. This person, you see them as someone who's receiving the golden rewards that several rich people wish they could have, okay? You see this person like, wow, what is happening? You guys could be dealing with someone who's receiving rewards and accolades at this time for the work that they do in the world to help people, to bring justice to a community of people who are underprivileged, okay? Or a community of people who maybe they're making things right, maybe they're fixing things, maybe they're someone who is involved in some type of legal case or a legal matter, and that involves you, and maybe they stood up for you. They got your back. I don't know. It's something that this person is doing, but whatever it is, they make you want to follow in their footsteps, and other people follow in their footsteps too. This person is someone who you see that can teach other people about the values of justice, fairness, equality, and honor. You know that this person's doing some serious work out here in the world, and you see this person as like, you're just like, go for it. Like, I'm your cheerleader. I'm here by your side. You know your truth. Speak your truth. The truth will set you free. Okay? So that is what you see. That's powerful. All right, so how does this person see you? Okay, so this is someone who you may be dealing with a Taurus or Gemini, or someone who has Taurus or Gemini in their birth chart, okay? But they could be born in May, okay? But what I'm getting here is that the way they see you as a person that holds a kind of mystical power about you. You could be a little mysterious to them, or you could just be a person who has spiritual gifts. That's how they see you. They feel like you're somebody who deserves flowers, who deserves your flowers while you can still smell them. That's how they look at you, like a legend, a hood legend. I don't know what made me say that. Okay, some of you may be a legend in your hood, okay? Or maybe you are someone who just, if it's not like a hood legend, then you're someone who just deserves flowers in a romantic way. They could be apologizing for how they hurt you. It could be that. But I am getting that. And they also see you as some type of symbol of perfection and beauty, okay? Like, people like that what you represent. You could represent beauty, or the beauty industry. Could be that you could work in the beauty industry. You could be a makeup artist or something, for some of you. But they honor the fact that you're blossoming, or you have blossomed into this beautiful flower. Like, you're finally fully blossomed and standing in your divinity. They want you to continue to opening up to your divinity, okay? Your feminine side is really flourishing, and it's helping you open up your soul right now. This person sees you as someone who can empower people. Yeah, you're like Michelle Obama. Yeah, you're like Michelle Obama. The energy is a mirror. This could be a twin flame for you, especially if it's someone with strong Taurus or Gemini in their chart. It's a twin flame for you. It's a person who you mirror each other. You're both fighting for a cause, it seems like. Or you're both standing up for the connection or something. Or you're taking some type of political action, or maybe you are empowering people, just like Michelle Obama. Like, you're like the first lady and this person's the president. Like, that's what it's like. Or maybe I don't know what is happening here, but you guys are impressing each other. You're impressing each other by what's going on. This person sees you as someone who needs to know that your life is not a struggle, but a beautiful flower that's blossoming, and it's this creativity and your intuitive gifts are opening up, and they're opening more and more and more and more and more, and they just see so much beauty in you. Like, you're a symbol of beauty for people. You're a symbol of divine perfection for people. Like, God sees you as perfect. Now people are starting to realize how much you mean to God. Like, the fact that you could be chosen, or the fact that you love God, you give him the glory, the praise. They see the light in you. They see that maybe you're a church going woman, or maybe you are a part of a ministry at church or something. I don't know, but man, there's something about spirituality and politics and government affairs, and like, I don't know, just something here between you and this person, Leo. Okay. They do see that changes are on the horizon for you, since all these beautiful things are happening. They just want you to continue to open up, because the more you open up, the better things are becoming in your life. So, wow, that's beautiful. To continue this, check out the extended. The link is down below. Thank you so much.